Halloumi is a semi-hard stretched curd cheese and it has a really high melting point, so it doesn't melt away when it goes in the pan. It holds its shape, and usually when we're serving beautiful halloumi we would cut it into big chunks and then place it into the pan, serving it with some honey and some lemon. But I'm going to prepare it in another way. This is going to be crumbled and fried up so it's super crispy, and it's a fantastic addition to any type of salad or soup. They're almost like little cheese croutons, little halloumi croutons. So the best way to do this is just to crumble the halloumi just into little chunks like so. So I'm just crumbling this so we've got little pieces and we've got larger pieces. And I've just been preheating my pan too. You want it to be on a medium heat so we get a lovely golden colour on the outside of all of this crumble, but we want it to be warm and almost squeaky in the centre. Now some oil in the pan, good drizzle of oil, and nothing else required. We're just going to add a little crumbled pieces of halloumi, and I don't move it to start with. We just want to allow it to get golden on one side, and then I'm just going to continually toss it until it's golden all over. Have a look at this halloumi crumble, golden all over, just right. So I've just prepared a simple tomato soup and we're going to place them on top. I just love the contrast of a sweet, slightly acidic and tart tomato soup with crunchy, salty halloumi bits. Fantastic. Find a little flourish of chives, just a little sprinkle, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. How good does that look? And it's a really unique way of using halloumi. Fantastic on a soup like this, but also a lovely crunchy addition to any type of salad.